Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch NEC screen from 2CCFL to a UB54 series LED kits. This kit comes with one LED strip, one LED driver and one wire adapters. Okay, so let's set aside the LED kit for a second and then take a look at the screen. Screen is made by NEC. The screen part number is NL8060BC26-30D. Again, NL8060BC26-30D. Okay, so remove the reflector is quite easy, just like all other NEC screens. This is a plastic clip. You push it down, you pull it out just like that. Okay, so you pull it out and then you're gonna remove this. Remove this end, it's a bit easier here. Take it out, easy. So because this bottom is not all the way flat, so UB54 series is, it's a little bit wider. So we're gonna put a double side tip on one end. So the reason we did this because we made sure this one sit on the top, on the bottom flat. So for example, if we do not put the double side tip, it might look like this when you push it down. Okay, so here we go. I have to the easiest way to do is put it on this side and just peel off double side tip. Stick to this side. So let's see, we put it on this side. So we're gonna put it on this side. Then you stick to it. I'll show you later. In that case, then for sure LED strip's gonna flat. See that? It's flat. So now we're gonna slice back slowly. Add a piece of tip to secure this LED wires. Just like that. It's done. See how easy it is? Less than 15 minutes. So this end connect to either one, okay? And also this wire adapter, one end connect to here, the other end is same as your NEC inverter. You just connect your existing NEC inverter wire harness to this end, and the LED strip lit up.